Plant FAQs. Crassa regal hosta. What is Crassa regal hosta? As a gardener with a passion for unique and striking foliage, the Crassa regal hosta has a special place in my heart. This architectural wonder breaks away from the typical mounding hosta form, offering a statuesque presence in the shade garden. For those unfamiliar with hostas, these shade-loving perennials are prized for their beautiful leaves and low-maintenance nature. They come in a vast array of colors, sizes, and textures, making them incredibly versatile for creating stunning shade compositions. See more 31 species in Genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. The first thing that grabs your attention about the Crassa regal is its upright, vase-shaped habit. Unlike its mounding cousins, this hosta reaches for the sky, forming a dramatic 3-foot-tall clump. The foliage itself is a sight to behold. Frosty blue-green leaves, adorned with prominent white veins, rise proudly from the base. These leaves are not only beautiful, but also hold their own against slug attacks, a common woe for hosta enthusiasts. Come midsummer, the Crassa regal puts on another show. Towering flowerscapes, reaching an impressive 4 to 6 feet, emerge from the foliage. Delicate lavender flowers adorn these scapes, adding a touch of elegance to the already impressive display. This architectural wonder is a slow spreader, making it ideal for smaller gardens or planting in containers. Its well-behaved nature and tidy habit also translate to lower maintenance requirements. How to care for Crassa regal hosta. While the Crassa regal thrives in part shade to full shade, it can tolerate some morning sun, particularly in cooler climates. The key is to ensure the soil remains consistently moist, especially during the hot summer months. Well-drained, organically rich soil is ideal for this hosta to thrive. Adding a layer of mulch around the base of the plant helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. However, be mindful of creating a slug haven with the mulch. Regularly inspect your Crassa regal for signs of slug damage, and take appropriate action if needed. How to propagate Crassa regal hosta. The good news is that propagating the Crassa regal is a relatively simple process. The most common method is division, which can be done in early spring or fall. Simply dig up the mature clump and carefully separate it into smaller sections, each with a few eyes, buds, and healthy roots. Replant these divisions in their designated spots, ensuring they are well watered until established. Planting partners for the Crassa regal. The Crassa regal's upright form and striking foliage make it a perfect focal point in the shade garden. However, it also plays well with others. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Ferns, with their delicate fronds, add a textural contrast to the bold leaves of the Crassa regal. Opt for varieties with similar light requirements, such as the Japanese painted fern or the maidenhair fern. Heuchera, Coral Bell's Heuchera offers a burst of color in the shade, with foliage ranging from vibrant greens to deep purples. Astilbes, these shade-loving perennials provide a touch of elegance with their feathery plumes of flowers in shades of pink, white, and lavender. Hakanekloa macra, Japanese forest grass. This ornamental grass adds a touch of movement and texture to the shade border, creating a dynamic composition. With its architectural form, stunning foliage, and easygoing nature, the Crassa regal hosta is a true garden gem. By incorporating its regal presence into your shade garden, you can create a truly unique and captivating space.